Yeah, this is a video on AUMAs. What I've done, I've went through all these jumpers here, checked them all out, and then I hooked up my 110. And what I did on my U2, I brought another wire out right here. That's my hot wire, and 13 is my open and 9 is my closed. This is unit A that you guys had marked, and to run it closed, all I have to do is take this hot wire and put it on 9. As you see, when I did this, it's running closed. So what I did, I marked these 90 degrees and backed it off a little bit and set my mark. So I have this actuator running 90 degrees open and closed. And you can see it's about mid-stroke right now. All I have to do is disconnect the hot wire and then connect it back to the green, and it runs the opposite way. And if you notice, when I set these limit switches, this is my closed switch and this is my open switch. And as soon as I go the opposite way, this arrow should come right off that dot. Now I did notice when I set these up, you can see it's an open and it's stopped on its own and it's pointing to the dot. If you watch, as soon as I go the other way with it, that arrow comes right off. And I noticed when I was hand cranking them to set the 90 degrees that they were taking a long time to come off, so I think you went a click too much. I don't know why the limits were even fooled with, because I set them here previously on the valve. So as you see, what I did, I put a note right here. V1 is a neutral wire, and then your U2 is your hot wire. So I made a jumper coming off of that, and that's what I'm going to go open and close with. Okay, now this is unit A still, and I did notice someone tried to put the plug in the wrong way. Let me try to get this. And this little tab right here is busted. But the plug will only go in one way. You cannot force that plug. So then we're going to move over to unit B. I hooked it up. All I do is run a pigtail off of 110. So I will plug that in. And then you can see here, it is already in a closed position. I put the dial on so you can see it even more. This is unit B. So we want to go open with it. So all I'm doing is hooking up a 110 signal to it. Maybe. So we hook that up. You can see it running. And I also marked these at 90 degree down here so you can see it. We'll run this one all the way until it opens. And you can do this also when you get it on the valve. You can run that hand wheel, but I will leave these tagged where the position I got them in. Alright, the limits are set. You still have power to the open. It shut off. The limits took it out itself. So then now it's going closed. I will have a report wrote out for Mike Rawson to send to you also, or what I've checked. And I said this is unit B. And there it shut off.